everyone. Welcome to Homes Inspiration Studios, your go-to source for all things home design and construction. Today, we're delving into the world of wall bookshelves and tips for design, decorate, and maximize space with bookshelves for wall. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. These aren't just practical storage solutions, they're statement pieces that can transform any room. From the bookworm's haven to the minimalist dream, wall bookshelves offer unparalleled versatility. However, designing and decorating them can pose challenges. Common hurdles include determining the perfect size and placement, striking a balance between aesthetics and functionality, effectively organizing books, seamlessly integrating the bookshelf into the room's design, and finding stylish yet affordable options. But fear not. We're here to guide you through the process. Wall bookshelves boast numerous advantages. They optimize space utilization, serve as captivating focal points, create dedicated reading nooks, enhance room organization, and elevate overall aesthetic appeal. To design and decorate your wall bookshelf, start by considering the room's size, style, and purpose. Choose the right type of bookshelf, built-in, floating, ladder, or otherwise, and determine the ideal placement and height. Select materials and finishes that complement your decor, and consider incorporating lighting for a dramatic touch. Now, let's dive into some inspiring decorating ideas to elevate your wall bookshelf. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best decorating ideas for wall bookshelves. 1. Create a gallery wall. Transform your bookshelf into a captivating art gallery. Mix and match books, framed artwork, and personal photos to create a visually stunning display. Experiment with different frame styles and sizes for added interest. 2. Embrace color and texture. Inject life into your bookshelf with a vibrant color palette. Choose books with colorful spines or incorporate decorative objects in various textures like wood, metal, and glass. Play with different heights and depths to create a dynamic composition. 3. Bring nature indoors. Introduce a touch of greenery to your bookshelf with potted plants. Small succulents, ferns, or air plants add a refreshing and organic element. Consider using hanging planters or decorative pots to maximize space. 4. Showcase your treasures. Display your cherished collectibles and decorative objects on your bookshelf. Create a curated collection that reflects your personality and interests. Arrange them thoughtfully to create a visually appealing display. 5. Design a cozy reading nook. Transform your bookshelf into a relaxing retreat. Add plush cushions, a soft throw blanket, and perhaps a small armchair to create a cozy reading nook. Incorporate warm lighting and scented candles for a soothing ambience. 6. Maximize storage with hidden compartments. Optimize your bookshelf storage potential by incorporating hidden compartments. Use decorative boxes, baskets, or bins to store smaller items like stationery, electronics, or games. 7. Install a functional ladder. For tall bookshelves, consider installing a stylish ladder for easy access to your favorite reads. The ladder can also serve as a decorative element when not in use. 8. Combine with other furniture. Integrate your bookshelf into your overall room design by combining it with other furniture pieces. For example, place a console table beneath the bookshelf for additional storage or display space. 9. Experiment with shelf arrangements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shelf arrangements. Try varying the height and depth of your books and objects to create visual interest. You can also mix horizontal and vertical book placement for a dynamic look. 10. Add personal touches. Make your bookshelf truly unique by incorporating personal items that reflect your style and interests. This could include travel souvenirs, family photos, or handmade crafts. Remember, the key to a successful wall bookshelf is a harmonious blend of style and function. By following these tips and exploring countless possibilities, you can create a bookshelf that's both visually stunning and incredibly practical. We hope you found this video inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios for more home design ideas. Let us know your favorite bookshelf style in the comments below. After this, we will provide you gallery of best wall bookshelves gallery ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.